The patient's information, such as the name, age, and gender, are inputted on the screen. The finger to be pricked is sterilized using an alcohol wipe. The pricking of the finger is done by a medical practitioner. Then, the blood is placed on the palate. The reagent is added to the blood on the palate with the ratio of 1:2, where every drop of blood corresponds to 2 drops of the reagent. After the solution is prepared, press the open palate button on the screen to eject the palate holder. Place the palate on the palate holder. Then, click the close palate button and then the process button to start mixing. After 4 minutes of mixing, the results are displayed on the screen with the patient's information as well as the blood type he or she can receive.